Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Today is part 2 of my decorate with me video. I'm just showing you guys in this video how I decorate my buffet for the spring. And right now I'm just kind of clearing off everything from the buffet, and I'm just trying to go in and clean everything down and make sure I have a clean slate to work with. And I'm just using my Orange Glow furniture cleaner here because this is a wood piece, so I just like to kind of use that to kind of go in and freshen it up and get all the dust out and just kind of give it a shine to the wood and everything. Now this used to be this is my china cabinet. It had a hutch to it at the top, so I took the hutch off and actually just left the buffet part at the bottom, which you see me cleaning here. I just wanted to change things up a little bit. The hutch I thought was a little bit crowded in my space, and it just kind of cluttered everything for me. So I wanted to try something different this year with just using the buffet part only. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of giving it a good clean, good wipe down, and I'm gonna get ready to start adding my items. Now, as you see here, this is my first item I'm adding is this lamp that I bought from Ross the other day. I hauled it and showed you guys in my haul video. I just think it's a little cute, little elegant lamp or whatever, and it adds some extra brightness to the dining space. So I'm gonna add that there. And then these artwork that I have above it, I went and got those from Home Goods. I actually had those put up maybe about 3 weeks ago, but I haven't had the chance to show you guys that in any of my videos. But that artwork I did get from Home Goods, and I forgot the price on it. I think they were $34.99 a piece or something like that. If I can check out the price and see how much it is, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I got that from Home Goods. So now I'm just going to go in and add candle holders from these candle holders. I believe I bought from either Ross or TJ Maxx. I can't remember, but I'm just going to add the 2 candle holders to the buffet as well. And I'm just going to fill those in with some LED candle holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. And there it is, me adding in these little LED candles. Now these candles actually work pretty good because they battery operated, and you don't have to worry about making a mess or cleaning out your candle holders from real candles in these little cute holders. So I like the Dollar Tree candle holders. Just pop the battery in and they work pretty well for $1, so it's not bad at all. And don't mind my broom there. I forgot that I had the broom there while I was recording, so I'm still learning, so I forgot that broom was there. So just ignore my broom that's laying there against my buffet. Okay, so now I'm going in. I bought these vases I believe back in January from Z Gallery, and I had a 25% off my total price kind of coupon, so I ended up using that to purchase these vases. If you all shopped at Z Gallery, you know Z Gallery can be kind of expensive, but I thought I got a pretty good deal on these vases because I believe they were $49.95 a piece, I believe, but then I got my 25% off, so it dropped the price even lower. So I use that, and I like them because they're tall and it kind of adds a statement to to your area, or it adds a statement to your home. So I really like it, and they are really heavy. So they're really heavy. They're kind of like they're silver metallic color, and I think they actually look pretty good. And this is what it's looking like so far, and I think it's actually looking pretty good there on my buffet. And I'm actually going to go in and add some flowers. I'm actually going to use some of the flowers that I had in my family room from the Christmas season because they're kind of like really neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and just add those in there. Okay, and then right now I'm just adding in this tray that I got from Ross, and I don't really have a bar or anything like that in my home or whatever, but I do have a decanter with some liquor in there, and then I have a few glasses that I set up there on the tray. Is what I'm going to use a tray for. I'm just going to use it to hold my liquor decanter and some glasses, and then I'm going to put a little cute little vase there with some of the same florals that I added in on my coffee table video. So I'm going to use that to add there to the tray as well. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and add these pretty white hydrangeas to the vase. And then right here, I'm just using that candle holder that I hauled from Ross a few days ago in my previous video. I'm just using it again and adding not the fresh floral, but adding the faux floral in there. And I think it just kind of elevates the look, and actually looks really cute and blingy there in my tray. And there's those cute little florals that I had during the holiday season, but these were kind of like some pearl branches. Well, they're branches, but the flowers are kind of like pearl little buds on there, which I think are absolutely adorable. So, and they're kind of neutral, so you'll be able to use it throughout the whole spring. I think you can use it throughout the whole year as well, because they're very neutral. And then these flowers, I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but they just some faux flowers that I was using as well. But they have a little, you can't see it in the camera, but they have like little bling glitter on the tips of the flower, which I think is really cute. So I'm just going ahead and add those into my my Z Gallery vases. And then to get this look, I believe I added in 3 of the florals, and then 2 of the kind of like picks with the pearl bling on them, or the pearl I don't know what you call it, but pearl little accent flowers on there. And right now I'm just kind of continuing to fluff it up to make sure that I have enough flowers in there so the vases look pretty full. And this is what it's looking like so far, and I think it's looking really cute. I love the silver, and I love the colors of how everything plays off each other, especially with the artwork of the lamp and the candle holders. I think everything looks absolutely gorgeous. Now this is, like I said before, this was my china cabinet buffet. I just took the hutch off, and I'm just kind of using a buffet by itself because I really didn't want to buy a separate, I didn't really want to buy another sideboard or another buffet to put inside my dining room, because it matches my table pretty good. It matches my table pretty good, and it's a really good piece. I love the design and everything on there, and I just didn't want to get rid of it. So this was my way of kind of refreshing my dining room by adding using it just by itself without using a hutch to it, and I think it turned out really gorgeous, and it looks great. And the bottom actually has a lot of storage to it. It has like 2 cabinets on the side, and then it also has like 3 drawers in the center. So what I did was I kind of just stored all of my china in the bottom part instead of using it in the hutch, and it works out pretty good. So I'll show you guys later on in another video of how I organize and store my china and everything inside this buffet. But this is what everything is looking like so far, and I'm actually loving the look. Now for spring, I kind of just added those white hydrangeas. I really didn't add anything else to it for the spring, so I'll probably end up going back in and adding a few more decorative maybe Easter pieces and all of that once a little bit later on down the road. But for right now, I like the look. It's kind of simple and elegant, and I like the way it's looking right now. Also, I'm still working on trying to find, I still have to do my tablescape for the spring as well, but I'm still trying to find some nice chargers and some plates and everything for my color scheme for this spring. So I'm still working on that. So once I get those items or whatever, I'll be doing the tablescape and showing you guys how I put that together as well. But this is the final result, and I absolutely love it. It turned out really, really well. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. And make sure, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. And this is kind of an overview of my living dining room space, because like I said, my house is an open floor plan, so this is kind of how I have it styled with my living and dining room combo. So I hope you guys enjoyed my 2 decorate with me videos, and I will see you all in my next video, and I want to thank you all for watching. Bye.